है सर, ये जो परिवार उसका नाम
What is his designation?
I am newly appointed OIC and I am
Not
assistant registrar.
OIC. Where is the registrar or the sub-registrar of the university? Bailable warrants were for his presence.
The registrar sir directed me to appear in a court.
No, registrar sir, then we'll issue non-bailable warrants for the production of registrar. First they receive notice, you don't appear. Then when we issue bailable warrants, he still doesn't appear. So he'll be arrested and produced before us. Why is he not present today? Why is he not present today? Mr. Counsel,
Yes.
why is he not present today? Bailable warrants for his presence and he still doesn't appear.
Lordship, I have requested him to appear, but he said I am busy in some other matters. And,
All right.
And
Then
deputy registrar has
issue-
been
No, then we'll issue warrants for his arrest. He is busy in some other matter despite bailable warrants being served on him. First notices, and this is not one matter.
Lordship,
We only
I will ensure his appearance on the next date of the hearing.
So
along with
why
the
is he
written-
not present today despite bailable warrants being executed against him? First summons are sent, received, he chooses not to appear. And then we issue bailable warrants, executed, he chooses not to appear.
My lord, we will 100% ensure his appearance at
Why is he not
any
present
cost,
today?
and he will submit the return also. That may be even my lord within 3 days. By that
No,
time,
but
your
why
warrant
is
is
he
served,
not-
by that time he will appear here.
Which matter is more important than appearance after execution of warrants? Which matter is more important? Which is the matter he is busy in? Please tell us.
For this, we cannot.
First summons are good and he ignores them. Totally ignores them, bothers not to appear. Now warrants are executed, bothers not to appear. If he is taken in custody, what will happen to his job? Please tell us what course of action should we take against him.
Kindly permit, sir, his career will be adversely affected. He
Of
will
course
appear
it will be.
tomorrow or day after tomorrow, sir. We will submit
Why?
the return and ensure the appearance, sir.
No, why is he not here today?
Sir,
Why is he not here today?
Because of some urgent work in which he was involved, and
Please tell us what is the urgent work?
my lord, in petition itself, there is a mention, registrar or deputy registrar. Accordingly, this deputy registrar is appear before your lordship.
Is he the deputy registrar? He is an OIC.